Looking for professional commercial garage door repair in Jessup MD? Neighborhood Garage Door Repair of Columbia provides reliable commercial garage door repair services designed to keep businesses operating safely, efficiently, and without costly interruptions. Commercial garage doors play a critical role in warehouses, distribution centers, loading docks, storage facilities, automotive shops, retail businesses, and industrial properties. When a garage door malfunctions, it can impact daily operations, employee safety, security, and productivity. At Neighborhood Garage Door Repair of Columbia, experienced technicians provide comprehensive commercial garage door repair services for businesses throughout Jessup and the surrounding areas. Their team has the expertise and equipment needed to diagnose and repair a wide variety of commercial garage door issues quickly and efficiently. Whether you're dealing with broken springs, damaged cables, malfunctioning openers, worn rollers, off-track doors, damaged panels, or operational failures, professional repair services can help restore your system and minimize downtime. Commercial garage door services include spring replacement, opener repair, cable repair, roller replacement, track adjustments, panel repair, preventive maintenance, safety inspections, and complete system troubleshooting. Business owners throughout Jessup trust Neighborhood Garage Door Repair of Columbia for dependable service, quality workmanship, and prompt response times. Their commitment to customer satisfaction in professional repairs has made them a trusted provider for commercial garage door services. If your commercial garage door is experiencing issues, now is the time to schedule professional repair service. Contact Neighborhood Garage Door Repair of Columbia today and keep your business operating safely and efficiently.